depends on its citizens. We should respect our freedom fighters. Today I am going to tell about some famous slogans of our country, of our freedom fighters. Jai Jawan Jai Kisan by Lal Bahadur Shastri. Satyameva Jayade by Madan Mohan Malviya. Vande Mataram by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Karo Ya Maro by Mahatma Gandhi. Bharat Chodo by also Mahatma Gandhi. Tu Mujhe Khoon Do Main Tumhe Azadi Dunga by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Dilli Chalo by also Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Jai Hind by also Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Equalab Zindabad by Bhagat Singh. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, a wonderful good morning to all of you. I am Sarah and Varghese of Class 6C. Today I stand here to deliver a speech on the topic Freedom Fighters. Today we are proud citizens of free India because of various freedom fighters. Our country has seen a lot of freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. They all have inspired me to work for my country. My favorite freedom fighter is Mahatma Gandhi because he chose the path of non-violence and won freedom with truth and peace. He did not use any weapons. I believe that Rani Lakshmi Bai was also a great freedom fighter. She never gave up her country because of her child. Instead, she took her child to the battleground fearlessly to fight for injustice. The next freedom fighter that I admire is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I appreciate the fact that despite being a member of a rich family, he gave up his easy life and fought for India's struggle for freedom. He was indeed a great inspiration for many. In short, what we see as India today, it won't be possible without the efforts of our freedom fighters in the past. We should honor their sacrifice, and this is only possible if we stand united in any circumstances. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Arun Shibu from 6C. Today I am recite a poem on the topic of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. I love my country that has great history, with so many freedom fighters, who sacrificed their life, Mahatma Gandhi, touched non-violence, taught non-violence. His His life is inspiration. His life is inspiration. How led many freedom movements. How led many freedom movements. Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was the father of Indian arrest. Was the father of Indian arrest. How wrote that freedom is my birthright. How wrote that freedom is my birthright. Let home rule legal movement. Let home rule legal movement. Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was an aggressive nationalist. Was an aggressive nationalist. How believed in socialist principles. How believed in socialist principles. Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. Let's memorize their sacrifice. Let's memorize their sacrifice. And be full of patriotism.